You know what? Let's open all of our presents first, and then we'll open all the boxes, okay? Okay, I'll start to open it. How about you open some presents? I think you got more stuff from Santa. Okay. Where's Santa? Well, we don't know. Santa just left us all these presents because he loves you so, so much. Let's see who this one's for. This one's for Audrey and Grace. Go ahead and open this. It's for both of you. Gracie got some books from Santa. Ah. What is this? Oh my gosh, for Audrey and Gracie. What is this?
Can you open the presents?
What are they?
What is this?
Are they little books? Are they little books?
Can you read it?
Yeah.
What kind of books are they?
What kind of books? What kind of books? Who are all these? Who are all these people? Who are all these people? What kind of books?
This one. This one.
Who's that one? Sleeping Beauty. Be friendly.